Hi everyone, my name is M. Vikram Nayak, studying 9th class in Sai Baba High School. Today we will learn about what is a time travel. Time travel is a concept that only used to exist in science fiction, but now is expanding into theoretical physics, with the scientists all over the world searching for answers. For this, that could change civilization as we know it, along with history and future. Let's go into the topic. In this topic, we will come to know what is a time travel, what are the important theories associated with time travel? What is a time machine? What is grandfather paradox and what are the possibilities of time travel? Most of the people thinks that time is a constant, but Albert Einstein showed that time is an illusion. It is relative. It can vary for different observers depending on the speed through space. To Einstein, a time is the fourth dimensional. So, what is a time travel? According to David Lewis, the time travel is the difference between its departure and arrival times in the surrounding world, which is not equal the duration of the journey undergone by the object. For example, let person X might be a time traveler if he travels for 1 hour but arrives 2 hours later in the future or 2 hours earlier in the past. In both types of time travel, the time experienced by a time traveler are different from the time undergone by the surrounding world. In movies like Doctor Who, Back to the Future, Interstellar, we see humans get in a vehicle and arrive in the past or future, ready to take a new adventures. Each come with their own time travel theories. However, in reality, all scientists believe that time travel is not possible. Some even say that an attempt would be a fatal to any human who chooses to undertake it. Now my friend Raja Arshit will explain theories of time travel.
Hi everyone, my name is V. Raja Reddy, studying 9th standard in Sai Baba High School. Now, let us know about the important theories which are associated with time travel. First of all, let us know about the Einstein's theory of special relativity. This theory says that time slows down or speeds up depending on how fast we move with relative to something else. Approaching the speed of light, a person inside a spaceship would age much slower than his identical twin at home. In a sense, this effect is called as time dilation. Means astronauts are time travelers. When they return back to Earth, they are very slightly younger than their identical twin which remain on the planet. Now, let us know about the theory of wormholes. Wormholes are the solutions for Einstein's field equation of gravity that act as tunnels connecting points in space-time in such a way that the trip between these points through wormholes would take much less time than the trip through normal space. According to NASA, general relativity also provides scenarios that could allow travelers to go back in time. However, the equations might be difficult to physically achieve. One possibility would be to go faster than the speed of light, while Einstein's equation says that an object at the speed of light have both infinite mass and length zero. This seems to be physically impossible, but some scientists have extended his equations and said that it might be possible. Now, let us know about the theory of infinite cylinder. Astronomer Frank Tipler proposed a mechanism which is also known as Tipler cylinder, where one would take matter which is 10 times the mass of Sun and roll it very long but very dense cylinder. According to Anderson Institute, after spinning this up a few billion revolutions per minute, a spaceship following a very precise spiral around this cylinder could get itself into a closed time-like curve. There are limitations for this method also. However, the cylinder needs to be infinitely long for this to work. Now, let us know about the theory of black holes. Another possibility would be to move a spaceship around a black hole. Imagine some people have circled the black hole for 5 of their years. 10 years would have passed elsewhere. When they return back to Earth, everyone on the Earth would have aged 5 years more than they had. However, the crew need to travel around the speed of light for this to work. Now, let us know about the theory of cosmic strings. Another possibility for potential time travelers involves something called the theory of cosmic strings. Cosmic strings are narrow tubes of energy stretched across the length of ever-expanding universe. These thin regions left over from the early cosmos are predicted to contain huge amount of mass and could wrap the space-time around them. The approach of two such cosmic strings parallel to each other could bend the space-time so vigorously and that might make time travel possible in theory. Now my friend Vasu will explain what is a time machine.
Hi everyone, my name is MV Vajev Reddy, studying 9th class in Sai Baba High School. Now we will learn about what is a time machine. It is generally understood that traveling forward or back in time would require a device. A time machine take you there. Time machines research often involves bending space-time so that timelines turn back on themselves to form loop known as a closed time. To accomplish this, time machine need an exotic form of matter with negative energy density. Such exotic matter has bizarre properties like moving in the opposite direction to normal matter when pushed. Now we will learn about what is a grandfather paradox. A time travel may also comes with some unique situations. A classic example is the grandfather paradox, in which a time traveler goes back and kills his parents or his grandfather. The major plot line in the Terminator's movies or otherwise interferes in their relationship like Back to the Futures, so that he is never born or his life is forever altered. If that were to happen, some physicist says you would be not be born in one parallel universe, but still born in another. Now we will discuss, is time travel possible or not. To experience time dilation, one could stand on a neutron star, but the forces a person would experience would rip you apart first. Advances in quantum theories could perhaps provide some understanding of how to overcome time travel paradoxes. One possibility, although it would not necessarily lead to time travel, is solving the mystery of how certain particles can communicate instantaneously with each other faster than the speed of light.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to Sai Baba High School YouTube channel and click on bell icon for further updates.